In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unvoid an invoice in Xero. This process may seem a bit complex at first, but I'll walk you through each step to ensure it's as straightforward as possible. Now let's get started. First, head over to the Xero website by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to xero.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and you'll notice a login option. Click on that and enter your login details to access your Xero dashboard. If this is your first time logging in, make sure your credentials are handy, as you'll need them to proceed. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Xero homepage. Here, look for the taskbar menu at the top and find the Sales option. Clicking on Sales will bring you to another page where you should look for Invoices. Select Invoices to open up the list of all your existing invoices. Now, to find the voided invoice, navigate to the right corner of your screen where you'll see a Search option. Click on Search to open up more functions, and here's a crucial tip. Make sure to select the Include Deleted and Voided option. This will allow you to view invoices that are currently voided or deleted. After you've ticked that box, click on Search again. You'll now see a list of voided invoices. Find the specific invoice you wish to unvoid. Careful inspection is helpful here, so take your time to locate the correct invoice. Once you've found it, look to the top right corner where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is a Settings or Options button. Click on it to reveal more actions you can take with that invoice. Next, from the menu that appears, click on Copy to Draft Invoice. By doing this, you effectively duplicate the voided invoice into a new draft, allowing you to make necessary changes without altering the original invoice. With your draft created, review all the invoice details carefully. Ensure that customer information, items, dates, and amounts are accurate and reflect what you intend to convey. Accuracy here is essential to avoid any future discrepancies. Once you've confirmed the details, go ahead and click Approve to finalize this new invoice. Approving the invoice officially unvoids it within the system. To double check that everything is in place, navigate back to Sales and then click on Invoices again. You'll now see your previously voided invoice in an unvoided state among your list of active invoices. And there you have it. You've successfully unvoided an invoice in Xero. With practice, this process becomes quicker, ensuring that your invoicing remains accurate and efficient. Remember, understanding these finer details can be crucial in managing your accounts seamlessly. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.